But at the same time, where the trend where we're seeing the fastest growth is around P2P payments using stablecoins. And I think attached to that is we're starting to see strong growth in commerce based with stablecoins as well. And I think it's partly because the adoption is growing. I think people are getting more familiar and comfortable with it. And then especially for our parts of the world, like around Southeast Asia and South Asia, it's almost sort of a necessity where the correspondent banking system is just so cumbersome, right? Like if you're doing multi-currency, multi-geo banks, it might hit like 4 or 5 different correspondent banks before it gets to its destination. And so the use case that you were describing that kind of cuts through all of that and just allows the settlement to happen alongside the messaging layer as well. So I think that's sort of where we expect most of the growth is going to come from. And so we have our own first-party products around Coinbase Commerce that does power merchants to be able to accept stablecoins and other crypto as well. But the one kind of use case that's emerging that's really kind of out in the frontier I wanted to talk about is around AI agentic payments. So this is sort of one of the really fun intersections of crypto and AI, where I think one of the world as we sort of see it going is AI agents are becoming more and more powerful. They're becoming developing more capabilities. But for the longest time, it's mostly been around like pushing around like information. But if we actually want agents to interact and transact on our behalf, we have to provide them internet native currency units, right? Like AI agent cannot go and open a bank account or an e-wallet, but they can hold stablecoins. So that's sort of I think the key insight that we see of agentic AI commerce being powered by stablecoins. And we're starting to, we released this protocol called X402. You can check it out at x402.org. And that basically taps into the internet kind of open TCP/IP protocol that allows for payments to just hook into the current internet stack today. So that's something that we're working on and we're very kind of excited about. And there's going to be more news on that soon.